So, part 3. Do apologise because I use Samsung device and they're stupid. They're very sensitive to touch. So, anyway, as you just seen in part 2, the everything's done. I've put oil in the engine, somewhere to the correct amount. Because this car doesn't have an oil light, because it's quite a high spec one, it has an oil pressure gauge. And as you've seen, I've pulled the king lead off of the coil, therefore removing spark to the engine. So the engine is now just going to turn over on freehand with the key. And if you keep your eye on the oil pressure gauge there, it'll wind over for a good 20 seconds or so before that even moves, because it has to fill the oil filter up and then pump oil around the rest of the engine before the pressure rises. So it's a good safe way to how to do it. So there we go. There she goes. So what we'll do is we'll come outside and plug the king lead back in, and she'll fire straight up like so. Has you any bets? Oh, come on. There we go. Quick look round. Right, so if we go back inside, we shall see the oil pressure bang up on level. So there we go. Quick video, an A service, an old Granada. So thanks very much everybody, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Leave me some comments, etc, etc, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.